National Security Minister Dr. Bernard Nottage has begun an audit of the country's law enforcement agencies, assessing their ability to deal with crime, border protection, and more. Our Al-Tav's Munnings was there as he discussed the way forward on one of the most crucial social concerns.
National Security Minister Dr. Bernard Nottage arrived at police headquarters right before 8 o'clock Thursday morning for his first collaborative meeting with heads of the national law enforcement agencies. Police Commissioner Ellison Greenslade, Defense Force Commodore Roderick Bowe, Prison Superintendent Dr. Ellison Ramming, Immigration Director Jack Thompson, and Port Controller Captain Patrick McNeil greeted the minister upon his arrival. Minister Nottage informed reporters before the discussions started that Thursday's meeting is a continuation of talks the previous Christie administration held with law enforcement stakeholders.
Between them, they hold the key to improvement in our crime statistics, I hope. And those with whom I've met before have all expressed a desire to cooperate. We're requiring accountability from the heads of all of these agencies, and we're requiring the level of cooperation that is necessary for us to be successful. We are resolute in our desire to reduce criminal activity in this country, and this is one of the starting points for us.
Heads of the national law enforcement agencies will now meet with the government's law enforcement consultant, former Defense Force Commodore Clifford Scavella, to chart the way forward. However, the National Security Minister admits in the end he wants to see results.
We must break the back of crime in this country, and not only local crime, but transnational and international crimes. There are lots of things going on that the public is not aware of, but we are, and all of these things are contributing to what you see happening on the streets. We're sick and tired of it. People are concerned about murders. We must get the murder rate down. Our objective at the end of this year is to have less than we had last year, and the extent to which we can achieve that depends on their cooperation. Whether it's armed robbery, whether it's rape, whether it's attempted robbery, and so forth, all of these statistics are unacceptable in our country.
The former Free National Movement administration had touted to revolutionize the Royal Bahamas Defense Force with a historic upgrade of resources. When asked if the new PLP government will continue that plan, the National Security Minister answered that the government has asked each agency to submit a self-audit.
They have pointed to us needs that they have identified. I don't think that they are unreasonable, but we have to be sure that when we provide those needs, that they're going to have the beneficial result that we want. I mean, it's expensive to do what we want to do, but it would be even more expensive if we spend a lot of our resources and do not get the results.
Al-Tav's Munnings, ZNS News.